So it's time for me to do some cord management. I have recently done a lot of things to my home office to make it better, but one of the things I've realized is I have a ton of cords everywhere. I don't like it. It's a huge mess. So in this video, I'm going to use this, which I got on Amazon. A link will be below in the description. But this is an Ikea product that's gonna go under my desk and all the cords are gonna go in there. I also got a really cool power strip on Amazon that also has the USB plugs as well, and I'll be taking that and putting it under the desk as well. And then I'll route all the cords together into something that looks a lot better than it does right now. So I'm gonna walk you through all the steps that I'm taking and let you know how it's going along the way, and then we'll see how it all comes together at the end. If you're new to my channel, my name's Lane. It's so awesome to have you joining me today. I talk about all kinds of things on this channel, but mostly we talk about online business, personal development, and self-publishing. If you're into that kind of thing, be sure to hit the subscribe button, give this video a like. And I just know that if we're going to be good online business people and we're working from home, we can't have cords everywhere. It just looks bad. It gives me bad vibes. I'm not as productive. I don't feel as ready to go if there are cords hanging around everywhere. So I'm gonna fix that today, and I'm happy that you are jumping in this journey with me. Let's get started. So the first thing I had to do was go in and basically separate all these cords. It was kind of a mess, like a spider web of cords everywhere. And installing the Ikea cord basket was actually pretty easy. You just drill the two little pieces into it, make sure they're spaced out properly, and then you just attach it just like that. And I decided to center it exactly centered on my desk so that I could bring cords in from both sides with no problem. So once I had the basket installed, I went ahead and worked behind the desk to get all of these different USB cables separated out. And then I had to figure out how to route them. So I decided to tie a few of them together and run them down. Then I actually used packing tape to tape some of these cords to the bottom of my desk and the back, because I found that, one, it's the bottom and the back, so it doesn't really matter, but also it doesn't remove the finish if you do it with the right kind of tape. Now I'm working with the power strip. I was able to get everything plugged into it, and it's shoved in there with all the cords ready to go. So I'm pretty happy with the way everything worked out with my cord management. I got everything organized into my little Ikea cord organizer, which is what I wanted. I got all of the cords off the ground, and there's only a couple of places where cords come down. I am so excited that I finally don't have a bunch of cords dangling everywhere. That's it for this video. Please let me know in the comments if you have anything else that you want to see regarding this kind of thing. I would love to show you more. And if you have any suggestions for me of stuff that maybe I haven't thought about, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.